Hi y'all, welcome back to Majestic Unicorn Dreams. Majestic Misty right here. Remember what I said in my vlog? Low tech. On my computer. That's it. So quality is quality as it is for now. Until I get my vlog camera up and going. It's charging, so better quality to come. Now, I'm here to open the PMS box. I know this to be the PMS box. It sounds like it's got a lot of goodies in it. But first I have to show you. I ordered something from Sephora. This is the size of the box that it came in, okay? I know what this is. Let's open this. Okay? Yeah. Bunch of paper, right? Oh, big old pillow pack of paper. And you see more paper. That is all that's in this box. What a waste. I'm a recyclable person. Like, I'm not, you can't recycle me, but I recycle everything. I'm a zero waste as much as I possibly can be type of person. I'm earth friendly. What's with this? All of this for this. This is the Brazilian Bum Bum Kiss Lips because I have the Brazilian Bum Bum Lotion, the Bum Bum Moisturizer, the Bum Bum Shower Gel. If it's got Bum Bum in it, and Brazilian, I've got it because I love this stuff. But literally, that is what was in a box. Come on, Sephora, get with the times. But I do love my Brazilian Bum Bum Kiss. It smells so good and it tastes so good. Not that you're supposed to eat it. I get it, but it's so yummy. All right, let's move on. It is so flamming hot. I think I'm going to melt. All right, we got to put on glasses so we can read about the PMS box. Oh, yes, I do have my ring light because now you can see it in my glasses. That's the only high-tech thing I got going on is my ring light. All right, so let's get this going. Okay, it looks like they put no paper in theirs, and typically they're wrapped in paper too. Looks like a lot of food. I'm up for the food, especially since I have a drive coming up. I'm up for the food. Okay, we have yummy, yummy gummy candy watermelon slices. Yum. Oh, I love these. Charleston Chews. Oh, they give you such phlegm, but they're so yummy. This is all about the period, apparently, this time. This is Butterscotch by Boyer. Butterscotch Smoothie Peanut Butter Cups. They look like some sort of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, but different. Smoothie Peanut Butter, they're butterscotch. Never had those. That will be interesting. We have Sensationally Chewy Fruit Candy, Green Apple. Hi, chew. Yum. So I'm happy no cherry. Oh, yeah, I'm not happy about this. I have to be like one of the only people on the planet that hates Junior Mints. I don't like them. I don't like York peppermint patties. I like mint sucky candies, but I hate minty candy, chewy candies. But, so someone will get those. And then we have the Skin Spot Treatment. 100% organic skincare. This is for when you have your pimples and your zits and your little spots. I don't have any right now, but I've had this in the past, and this actually works really well. And then the last thing in the box would be thank you for heeding my cries and probably other women's cries. We have Playtex Gentle Glide 360 Super Absorbency in plastic applicators. Boom. 2. There you go. You should be set for your period with that. That's really all that's in here is this, 2 boxes of tampons, and the rest is food, which I'm going to have to bust into something in a minute. But I'm glad that they listened and have stopped, and I hope they stop sending cardboard applicators. Yes, I realize I just said I'm very a recyclable person, but I'm also very much a want to be comfortable person. And with being comfortable comes, ooh, is that a bug? Oh! No. It's not a bug. It's just a piece of hair. Okay. Yeah. See, we're not editing, so you get to see my little spaz out. Ah! So yeah, I like to recycle, but I also like comfort, and cardboard is not comfortable. So yeah, no, it's a no. So there we have it. We have our Brazilian Bum Bum Kiss Lips, and we have all of this yummy goodness food, except for these yucky Junior Mints, and tampons, and the spot treatment for the skin. So that's our PMS box. I do not order this box. It just appears in my box. Thank you very much. I will put the link down below where you can order. It is not a referral link. I don't have a referral link. I don't have anything. I get it, so I put it down I'll put it down below. You guys know what to do. Thumbs up, comment if you so choose, and subscribe! Yes, see, I'm back. Love each and every one of you, and I will see you next time. Bye.